JDCap26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we've got the old timer here. And it's a little pocket knife, a tiny one, matter of fact. It's the 180T. You can see that, 180T. Get it nice and close. And got this off of Amazon. I'll put the link below for it. Let's take a look at it. It's in this wrapped paper here. I did open it before, so here it is. That's what it looks like. Okay, it's pretty small. I'll put it in my hand for comparisons. About as long as my fingers there. Like that. Okay. It's got nice bolsters, solid bolsters, very solidly made. Brown, dark brown, and light brown. And it says old timer right there. And then on this side's got bolsters. All the bolsters and rivets are nice and smooth on it. And it's got this little device right here, and that's a liner lock. See right there? We'll open it up. And the liner lock clicks in, and it goes up against the blade right there. Okay, see it right there? I recommend a small pouch for this. I'm going to try to look for one online. I actually asked Old Timer if they had one, and I'm waiting for a reply from them. I don't know what to put it in. I don't want to lose it in my pocket. So let's see how sharp it is. It's not too sharp. There we go. You got to get a certain edge here. Cut it. You always use sharpening. That's not a problem. But I want it for cutting things open, packages and things like that, and mail. So that's why I bought it. Well made. There's this brand, and there's Uncle Henry brand. They're kind of like close to the same company. Uncle Henry uses Stag, I think, and they use this type, but they have, Old Timer has Stag too, but it's a nice little pocket knife. I didn't want anything really big, so that's what I want to show you today. I hope you had a good day, and I hope you rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Just wanted to add, you push the liner lock in like that, and you fold it down like that. Okay. So I just want to add that in. Sorry, guys. Thanks.